it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a rich and creamy white sauce for the fish dish from the movie Porco Rosso. You may have seen me make this roux-based white sauce in my herring and pumpkin pie video. That one was more like a velouté since it was mixed with some sort of fish stock, but the basic starter sauce is a bechamel, which we are making today. For a bechamel sauce, all you need are 3 basic ingredients: flour, butter, and milk. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter. Since I decided to make the salmon from Porco Rosso, I cooked this bechamel sauce with garlic and seasoned it with salt and pepper a little later. You can also add shallots if you want to make it a whole lot tastier, because bechamel sauce by itself isn't very flavorful. You don't want to burn anything, so just keep stirring until the garlic becomes super fragrant and is turning just light brown. Then drop the heat to medium-low, add the flour, and stir until it starts to smell like cooked pastry. Lastly, add the milk. I added mine slowly because I think it thickens faster that way, but you can totally just dump it all in at once. Keep stirring until there are no clumps of flour left and the mixture is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. If it becomes too thick, just add a little bit more milk. If you're making a chicken pot pie or mac and cheese recipe, you'll want this sauce to be a little bit on the thinner side, as it will thicken up more as it cooks in the oven. If you're using this sauce to top fish like I did, then go for a thicker consistency. And that's it! It's a really simple sauce that makes you feel super fancy, so I hope you can try it out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big old thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Oops.